Hi fans, happy Sunday. I'm here to talk about sexual transmitted infections, STI. Sexual transmitted infections are those infections that human being contact through sexual intercourse or other means. It is important to know some of the infections that are connected with sexual intercourse. Some of these infections are explained as follows. 1. Human immunodeficiency virus, acquired immune deficiency syndrome, HIV/AIDS. The human immunodeficiency virus is the organism that destroys the natural immune system that should fight against disease germs that enter the body. When the immune system is damaged, the body becomes easily affected by some diseases that should have been suppressed. At a point, any disease organism that comes in contact with the body cause damage and the individual becomes bedridden. At this stage, the person is said to have full-blown AIDS. Another infection is known as gonorrhea. This is a disease caused by a small round bacterium called Neisseria gonorrhea. It affects the urinary and reproductive tract because the two tracts are very close to each other. Gonorrhea causes painful discharge of thick milk fluid from the reproductive and urinary tract. Gonorrhea can cause sterility in both male and female human beings if not treated. It can also be transferred to the eyes and cause blindness in children born of infected parents. 3. Syphilis. This is another common STI caused by a wavy bacterium called Treponema pallidum. The disease starts as a locust sore on the reproductive organs and spread with painful itching. If not properly treated, it may cause serious deadly diseases of the heart, the blood vessels, and the nervous system. Consequences of STIs. Sexually transmitted infections have serious consequences. Some of these are: 1. Severe damage to part of the entire sex organs. 2. Serious pains and discomfort that come with the infection. 3. Likely infertility and sterility. That when it's infertility, the woman will not be able to conceive, and sterility, the man will not be able to do what? To ejaculate or to produce the normal sperm count. No, you will not be able to impregnate, or the sperm in the man will not be able to do what? It will be very, very what? It will not be active. That is sterility. 4. Waste of resources such as money in treatment, time in visiting hospital, and energy of those attending to defected persons. 5. Loss of valuable manpower leading to reduced productivity in the society and family. 6. Bad image in society for sufferers. Coping skills for preserving reproductive health. Our reproductive health status is a pointer to our sexual behavior. Generally, STIs are contracted through sexual intercourse with infected persons. Since it is not easy to identify infected persons by merely looking at their faces, STIs can be prevented by adopting the following healthy sexual behaviors. 1. By avoiding sexual intercourse with casual partners. 2. By waiting till you marry before having sexual intercourse. 3. By being faithful to your partner. 4. By those intending to marry going first for HIV screening. Young adults are often under pressure for unhealthy sexual behaviors. Some often fall victim to sexual harassment from adults and their fellow young people. This is not because they choose to fall victims, but because they lack the skills to cope with situations of sexual harassment. The following are some of the coping skills against sexual harassment. By friendly with your peers, but do not give them the opportunity for sexual harassment. 2. Be polite but firm in saying no to sex. 3. Give reasons to the person harassing you. For example, I want to complete my studies. I am very busy today. I have some assignment to do. 4. Quickly take your leave if you find yourself alone with someone that might ask you for sex. 5. Manage your resources well to avoid a situation where you run out of resources and someone entices you with the things you lack. 6. Wear clothes that do not expose your body. That is, be modest in your dressing. 7. Avoid bad company. 8. Avoid drinking to the extent of getting drunk. So continue for here. Thank you very much.